beautiful friends, my name is Katie, and for today's video we have the clash of all clashes. That is where it is still Halloween time, which is my favorite season of all, but also it is the start of Hallmark movie specials. And let's just talk about the fact that Hallmark is releasing 36 or 34. I've seen so many conflicting information about how many movies, but it's definitely over 30 new Christmas movies starting tonight. Can we talk about that? So even though we haven't passed Halloween yet, we're starting Christmas movies. Woo! So basically it's the clash between my favorite holiday, which is Halloween, and also my ridiculous love for Hallmark movies. I don't want to talk about it. I've got a problem. It happens. So in honor of Hallmark releasing its 30+ Christmas movies, my sister got a Hallmark sweatshirt, which naturally meant that I needed my own Hallmark sweatshirt. And I'm not just gonna buy a Hallmark sweatshirt like everybody else. I of course had to make mine. So this is my sweet Hallmark Movies Watching shirt. These are super easy to make if you have something like the Cricut cutter or if you have the Silhouette Cameo. I personally have the Silhouette. I just like that brand better, but they're basically the same machine. So if you do not have one yet, I would totally recommend getting one. They're gonna be on sale coming up soon for Black Friday and for Christmas and everything. But they make customizing your clothing super easy. And this is something where I got this sweatshirt for 25 cents in a bag sale. And yeah, now it's a sweet Hallmark sweater and I'm so excited. So let's get on with the super easy tutorial. Woo! I'm using some glitter vinyl in the color black, and I'm going to cut it to the size of my design. I always like to measure this out thoroughly, so my design is only 8 inches long, so I only cut 8 inches down. And then you wanna make sure you read the instructions for your particular vinyl. Mine said that the shiny side goes down. And then I'm going to load it onto the Silhouette Cameo. Now I'm gonna go to the computer and I'm going to click the send side of it, and I'm going to select my material. My material is heat transfer glitter. Not metallic, heat transfer glitter. And then I'm going to hit the cut edge, which is going to cut around the outside because some of my design does go over each other. And then you're gonna wanna make sure that you either select send mirrored if you haven't mirrored your design, or send as is if you have. Now you get to watch the machine do all the heavy lifting. Once it is done, click the unload button, and there's your design mirrored. Now you want to pull it off of the back sheet. And I really like reusing, so I always cut out the extra material that I know was not used. That way I can use that for a later project if needed. And then you're gonna wanna weed away all of the extra stuff in between all of your letters. Be very careful that if you have any really thin letters like I do, that you make sure you don't pull any of them off on accident. Now you just line up your design wherever you'd like it to be. I always put it on the highest heat setting, and then per the instructions, you're gonna wanna make sure that you press down kind of hard and make sure to run your iron for at least 30 seconds over each part of this. And then allow it to cool a little bit, and then you pull off the back wrapping, and that's it. This tutorial is very easy for anyone to make, and it helps you take items that you've thrifted and turn them into customized pieces. Whoop! So if you guys like this video, or if you love Hallmark movies as much as most of us do, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button down below because I make lots of DIYs and lots of things, and I am excited. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!